Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple box braid. You're going to take a piece of braiding hair and make sure you hold it like this. Then you're going to place it directly on the scalp. Next, you're going to take that natural piece of hair and go ahead and twist it to the left. Make sure you keep your fingers tight so that it's tight to the root. Then you're going to have 3 pieces of hair. You're going to take that middle piece and you're going to twist it to the right. And this is a continuous motion. Make sure you take that middle piece, you take it to the left. Once you have that middle piece, you're going to take it to the right. Continuous hand motions, you're just going from the left to the right until you braid down. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up a little bit, but it's the same motion, left and right. After I get down the hair some, you see that I switched to underhand, but it's the same motion. You're going left and right, left and right. As you get down the hair, you see that the natural piece is shorter than the rest. So you'll just take a piece from either one of the longer strands that you have and add it to the natural hair. Then continue the motion of left and right, left and right. Here's a clearer clip of braiding the hair down. It's the same motion, left and right, left and right, left and right. Make sure if you do have stragglers, you see, just swipe it to the side so you're not pulling at that piece as you're braiding down, because that hurts. This is the second way that you can do a box braid. So you're gonna take a rubber band. This one has hair on it because I had to redo this. But make sure you put a little bit of oil on it so it doesn't snag at the person's root of their hair. Make sure you don't have any stragglies. The reason why this has so many stragglies is because this is a mannequin head, and you know how the hair follicles are on there. So it shouldn't be like that when you're on a real person's hair. You're gonna make sure you tie that rubber band not too tight, but tight enough to where it doesn't slip around and pull down the hair. I tightened it a little bit just because this is a mannequin head and it was sliding down. Next, you're gonna get you a crochet hook. You see how it opens and closes? You wanna make sure that it's open. You wanna insert it at a downward angle. If you take your time, this should not hurt at all. You don't want to leave the hook at the client's neck. This is just for this video purpose. Then you take your hair, you latch it onto the hook, and then you close it. Make sure you close it so it doesn't snag. You're going to pull the hair through, but only one side of the hair. You'll have your 3 strands for your braid now. Now that you have your 3 strands of hair, you're going to go ahead and start braiding. It's the same motion as the first part of this video. Now you're just going to go ahead and take it to the left. Take that middle piece. Take it to the right. You want to keep going as you braid down. To cover the rubber band, you see how I go ahead and twist that middle piece on top of it? That helps with hiding the rubber band, but sometimes you can just use clear rubber band so you can't see them. You'll be fine either way. So you just want to keep on going from left and right or right to left, whichever way that you started is the way you want to keep going. Hopefully my pointing in the video is helping you understand where you want to take that middle piece each time. Because I've been braiding for so long, it's sometimes harder for me to slow down and show you the actual hand motion. So that's why it looks like I'm kind of twisting in a way that I'm not. It's because my hands are doing 3 things at once. But I promise you it's very easy when you get the hang of it. You'll understand left to right, left to right, left to right. Stay tuned for part 3. I'm going to show you another way that you can start off a braid. This third way is typically used for shorter hair, but as you can see, it works on all lengths. You want to make sure you grab that hair and put one piece in your hand and line it up with the natural hair. Then you're going to take the other piece and wrap it around the root, maybe about 2 to 3 times, not too tight. And then you're going to do that same motion, taking that middle piece and going left to right, left to right. And go ahead and keep on braiding down the hair. I'm going to give you another tip. Make sure when you're braiding down the hair, you keep the same grip so that your hair is seamless as you're braiding down. You know how sometimes the start of your braid looks tighter than the rest of your braid? It's because you switched your grip.